Hey guys, fuel feed for the wood/oil burning stove. 2-inch pipe nipple, helium or Freon tank. I drilled out or removed the plastic insert into the nipple of the valve on the tank. 3/8 inch rubber hose, miscellaneous plumbing fittings. There's the oil feed. It's just a really thin trickle of oil. I added a 1/4-inch shim to the front of the stove to help speed up the oil to the back of the stove. So there's a little rivulet that starts from the front all the way to the back. I might even kick that up a notch, maybe up to 3/8 or 1/2 inch. But she puts out the heat. It still needs more draft. If I close it slowly, it'll slowly start to chug. But I tested it with a slow drip, or a really fine stream just before the oil would start to bead. And I got 1 quart to burn for roughly 40 minutes to 50 minutes.